Hey guys, it's Alicia Soyacow with Alicia & Company at Long & Foster. I'm excited to present this beautiful craftsman home here in Tilmans Farm in Powhatan, Virginia. 3768 Tilmans Farm Drive is available for you. Come take a peek right now. This beautiful custom craftsman home on just almost 3 acres includes 5 bedrooms, beautiful custom kitchen that has 5-burner gas range, a beautiful custom hood, huge island, granite countertops, backsplash, and high-end appliances. The kitchen opens into the family room with a gorgeous stone fireplace. The trim work throughout the home is very impressive. As you go upstairs, there's a large foyer and also built-in desk system, perfect for your students learning from home or a home office. This beautiful home also offers a large backyard that's leveled, perfect for entertaining, and it's also fenced for your pets. Thanks so much for coming by to check out this gorgeous home. It's available for you today. Please schedule your showing and get the lifestyle here out in Tilmans Farm. It has multiple stocked fish ponds and beautiful walking trails and peace and quiet out here. So if you're trying to escape the crazy life in the city or busy suburbia, this is the home for you. Thanks for coming by.